Okay, guys, it is the time for $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right there in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets that we will be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right there, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I am on 15 minutes time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So this actually bought right from this support zone, and it got to this region, and right from there it has started selling. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back up, and of course it will buy for a while. And if you should notice, it is maintaining this trend. Okay, so if it's going to buy, then you should target this region first. Okay, and if it breaks out above it, then definitely it means that it's going to buy more right from there. So but for now it is selling, and it may likely sell till it gets to this particular support region. If it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, and this should be the target if it switched. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Next asset is going to be GainX 999, still on 15-minute time frame. Like I said earlier on today, okay, we actually milked this particular asset right from here to this very moment. This happened to be our last TP, but as you can see, it has been selling since then. So this is still selling right now. If it should break out below this particular support region, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it will switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, but for now it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. This has been crashing right from here, from this resistance region. There has been more of a downtrend than an uptrend, and as you can see, it played around there for a while, but it's later on went back into a downtrend to sell more, and this is still selling at the moment because it is on downtrend. If it's unable to break out from this current support region, then it will switch back into an uptrend. So you should wait for that to happen before you can say you want to buy. For now, it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999. It started an uptrend right from here, got to this region, was unable to go above that because of the resistance zone around there. So it sold for a while and played around there, and of course went back up and came back down, and it's still trying to go back up. So we still expect more buying opportunity right from there, except if it breaks out below this support region, that is when it's going to sell more. But for now, it is still buying. Next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out. This is FX volume 80. This actually started an uptrend right from this support. As you can see, it sold from here till it got to this region. Tried to go back on uptrend, had a pullback, but went back up to break out above this, and it has been buying since then. And this is still buying for now. Okay, so we should be checking out trying to see if it will be get it if it's going to get to this particular region. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, so we should take note of all that. Okay, so this is very, very important. Do not slack on this. Okay, guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Make sure you follow instruction, and of course, whenever you are trading, make sure you follow instruction. This is very, very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.